Greetings, programmers. Last time we did a review of our methods and we commented them as to whether they were complete or not. Some of them we put in to-dos and said they should be complete, but we still need to test them. So let's go through here and take any of those that should be complete, but we need to test them so that we can just mark them as complete. First one here has a big to-do on it. Complete, complete. This one has a to-do on it. Complete, complete. To-do, see if queen is attacking. To-do, should be code complete, need to test. Find friend in row. Before we find a friend, we need to find the queen. So this is, find the queen. This should be complete, but we need to test it. So if we found a queen, we should be able to do a right line. And I think we need console. Queen found at 0, 1. And we'll put this at the row is row of queen, and the column is I. So we found one at 0, 2, 1, 5, 2, 2, 3, 7, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 0, and 7, 1. So we are finding those queens properly. So let's go ahead and mark this as complete because we are finding those queens. What about finding friends? Yes. So if we find a friend, now if we're going to mark it complete, we don't want to put that console in there. That console right line. So in here, we can do another console dot right line. Found friend at 0, 1. And our row will be row, right? Pulling that from right here. And column will be I from right here. So we're not seeing that. Well, we don't have any friends. So in row 1, let's put a friend. This is our create unsafe board. So we'll put a friend in there. So we found a friend, but this is a problem. So we said the board is unsafe now. And so we actually should probably be in an infinite loop. We have a bug. So I'm going to take this and put it back in here while I look for that bug. So we have our public method, check for queen safety. Queens are safe if the queens are safe and is queen in row attacking returns true. That's our problem. If the queen is attacking in a row, that means our queens are not safe. So I need to use the not symbol here. So let's see if that fixes our problem here. Yeah, so now I'm running in an infinite loop. That's better. If I take this Q out of the unsafe board, I'm still running an infinite loop. So something else is still going wrong. So let's take a look at that. Is queen in row attacking? And this just always returns true. Okay, so that's why. We do look for find queen in row, but we're never calling that find friend in row. So let's start doing that. Bool friend found equals find friend in row, and we'll pass in row of queen, and column is the column we just found, my queen column. And now instead of returning true, we'll return friend found. So what is so I have my unsafe board here. Let's turn that back to a safe board. Or at least not have a friend in the row. It's not actually a safe board. Okay. So it didn't find anything, but now when I put this Q back in it, to have a friend in the same row, now I found a friend at 0, 2, and so what's happening is I'm building another board. If I want to verify what I'm seeing here, I could go up to my main program here and say console.writeLine new board built. Yeah. So it finds a friend, which means it's not a safe board, and then it goes to try to make a new board, and it finds a friend. So my code is working as I expect it. Anytime I put a queen in the same row, it is finding that to be unsafe. So the find friend in row does work. It is finding that friend. So I'm going to mark this as complete. And I'm going to remove this console.writeLine. And did we test any others? Find friend in row complete. Yeah, so we got several of these tested, and I think that's it. All the ones that we said we need tested are now marked as complete. So we have a lot of our methods now marked as complete, and that's going to help us understand when we're done.